Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's me, Jay Gallus here. I'm here to talk to you guys about the first iPad. Who remember this? Who remember this iPad right here? I'm joking. I'm really not here to unbox this iPad. Seriously, I'm not here to talk about no iPad. I'm here to talk about the boom! The iPhone 10! Suckers! This is what we're here for. We're here for this bad boy right here. You guys knew I had the iPhone 7. I decided, well, not me. My wife decided to get me the iPhone 10. It's a birthday / Christmas gift. I'm here to give y'all an unboxing, show y'all something that y'all know y'all saw like a million times already. But hey, I got to do my own unboxing too. So even though I've been using the phone for what, 2 days, I don't have a case, so I kept the plastic on there, but whatever, let's get into it. Let's take this top off, and it always says designed by Apple in California. I would hope it's designed by Apple because it's an iPhone. If it's designed by somebody else, that means it's probably a fake. It's an iCloud, whatever. So moving on. And as you can see, the phone is right side up. So that means you know I've been using the phone. This is how it's supposed to be. And I'm supposed to take it out this way. But like I said, I had the phone before. So this is the, I guess the silver right here, gray. I don't remember what color this is. Well, this is the iPhone 10. Okay, iPhone 10. I got the 64 gig because I really don't need the 256. And we'll get into that. What else do you get in the box? The usual stuff. This little small, what can I say? This little small, crappy piece of brick right here. And it comes with earbuds, AirPods, whatever you want to call them. And it comes with the dongle for you to put your 3.5 headphones in. No headphone jack on this phone. So, charger as usual. And I'm still mad about these chargers because they always get damaged very easy and dirty. I wish it could be the color of the phone. That would be hot. But, you know, Apple like to keep everything white. But this is the biggest disappointment in the whole unboxing just now. This pushes out almost no power. It took me about 3 hours to charge my iPhone 7 just using this brick alone. That's why I had to swap it and get a more powerful brick. Now, this phone, let me get everything out the way. This phone supports fast charging. And it never came with a fast charger brick out the box. And the phone costs over $1,000. I personally think that's unfair because you have phones that cost $500, OnePlus, that comes with a fast charger brick inside the box. Of course, I know this is more premium and has more stuff in it, but I think they could have been able to sacrifice and give you that. But that's how they make their money. Now they want you to go buy their power brick and go buy their USB Type-C to Lightning wire and pay the extra money for it. But let's do the take the plastic off, and boom, and boom. And as you guys can see, the phone is already set up. And I took the plastic off, and let's run through it. This is the power button / Siri button, volume rockers, and the mute and unmute toggle switch. The antenna band lines right here, 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 and here. And the good thing is you don't see it in the back over here. So this is glass, so you don't have to worry about the Apple sign getting scratched. But I would recommend anybody that have this phone to put a case. I don't think a skin is good enough because this is glass, so the skin is not going to protect the glass from being broken. But here goes the charging port. You have a speaker down here and a speaker in here. Both of them together actually sound really, really good. It doesn't have a fingerprint scan anymore. I think all y'all should know that by now. So there's no actual home button. But the face unlock really works very well. I could tell you that much. The cameras is really, really good. I guess when I do the full review for this phone, I'll give you all the full specs of everything and break everything down to y'all. But until then, this is just a regular unboxing. I don't know what you was expecting, but it's just... But I'll tell you this much. Let me show y'all something real quick. Let me unlock it with my face real quick. See, because you see the same thing that it did on the stage with the guy that was demonstrating face unlock. This thing has been trying to unlock this whole time and it kept on vibrating because it kept on getting the wrong face. Now, because of that, it's like it puts it in a little locking thing where you can't use your face to unlock it. So now I got to put my code to unlock it. Give me a second. All right, there you go. And a lot of people complain about reachability. Reachability is not that bad at all. Reachability is not bad. Multitasking is not bad. Switching from apps to apps is not bad. It's not bad at all. But I'm gonna leave everything for the full review. You guys know I'm gonna go in depth with the review and try to break everything down. But this is the iPhone 10. This is Jay Gallus. You already know what it is. Peace.